Understanding all AC parts is key, especially knowing what a contactor does. It basically turns your air conditioner on and off when your thermostat says so. So, the contactor is like the gatekeeper for your AC unit. When your thermostat senses the room getting too warm, it sends a signal to the contactor to close the circuit and let electricity flow to the compressor and fan. This starts cooling your space. If the thermostat says the room is cool enough, it tells the contactor to open the circuit, cutting power to those parts and turning off the AC. If you ever hear a clicking sound near your outdoor unit, that's probably the contactor doing its job. It's important to keep it clean because dirt and grime can make it stick or fail. Also, if your AC won't start, checking the contactor is a good first step before calling a pro. A worn-out contactor can cause your AC to run non-stop or not run at all. One of the biggest mistakes people make with their air conditioning contactors is ignoring signs of wear and tear, which leads to system failure. Another common issue is not regularly cleaning or inspecting the contactor, causing dirt buildup that makes it stick or malfunction. Third, some folks try to fix electrical parts themselves without proper knowledge, which can damage the contactor or create safety hazards. To fix these, always schedule routine maintenance to spot early wear and have a professional clean and inspect the contactor yearly. Avoid DIY fixes on electrical components unless you're trained, and replace any old or pitted contactors promptly to keep your AC running smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with trustworthy local contractors who know their stuff about air conditioning repairs and installs. It also gives contractors a solid way to find work from people who really need their skills.